Hello, this is Sasema. Welcome to Let's Make It Easy. Today, the topic about energy facts. So today we will learn about the energy. So here we go. The word energy comes from the Greek word that is energia, meaning operation, activity. Researchers note that energy is the key to the advancement of civilization and that energy is the catalyst that allows human societies to evolve. So energy has come from Greek word that is energy, okay, meaning operation. Got it? So meaning, so you have to remember the this energy has come from the Greek word energia, meaning operation, okay. Next, civilization first significant energy invention was fire. So first of all, these humans they have first discover what? Fire. Okay, fire. It was only about 5,000 years ago that humans began using others other energy sources such as wind. So these are the other resources, okay, that the humans were using it. Got it? So next, English polymath Thomas Young from 1773 to 1829 was the first to use the word energy. So he was the first person to use the word energy in its current sense. Okay, in the current sense, replacing the traditional term Visviva, okay, meaning a living force. So we have used the word energy, okay, replacing energy as a living force, okay. Next we'll say, after the traditional sorry after the industrial revolution, the demand for energy almost tripled to an average of 77,000 kilocalories per person in 1875. By 1975 it had tripled again to 230,000 kilocalories per person. So after the industrial revolution, the demand for energy was triple, so to an average of 77,000 kilocalories per person, okay. Then by 1975 it had again tripled again to 230,000 kilocalories per person, okay. Next we shall see, humans have harnessed solar energy since ancient times. Enough sunlight reaches the Earth's surface each minute to satisfy the world's energy demands for an entire area. So humans have harnessed, hmm, they have used solar energy since ancient times. Okay. Enough sunlight reaches the Earth's surface each minute to satisfy the world's energy demand for an entire year. Okay, so this is what. The next is what? A watt is a unit of power that measures the rate of producing or using energy. So the unit, what is a unit of power that measures the rate of producing or using energy? Got it? The term was named after Scottish engineer James Watt. So this Watt has, the term has been named after Scottish engineer. His name was what? James Watt. Watt measures his engine. He measured his engine that was performed in horsepower. Okay. 1 horsepower equal to 746 watt. So 1 horsepower equal to 746 watt. Okay, only 10% of energy in a light bulb is used to create light. So only how many? 10% of energy in a light bulb is used to create light. 90% of a light bulb's energy creates heat. So 90% of light bulbs that creates what? Heat. Compact fluorescent light bulbs, that means CFLs, na CFL, what we use, na use about 80% less electricity than conventional bulb. So red bulb, compared to red bulb, so it consumes only 80% less. Okay, 80% less it consumes. This is what. Okay, according to google according to google the energy it takes to conduct 100 resources on its site is equivalent to a 60-watt light bulb burning for 28 minutes. So, according to Google, the energy it takes to conduct 100 researchers on its site is equal to 60-watt light bulb burning over 28 minutes. Google uses 0.0003 kilowatt per hour of energy to answer average search query, which translate into 0.2 gram of carbon dioxide release. So this is what. Next, the United States produce half of its electricity from coal. So United States of America, they produce half of its electricity from coal. China uses coal to generate more than 3/4 of its electricity. So China also uses coal to generate more than 3/4 of its electricity. Okay. Australia, Poland, and South Africa produce more. These three countries, they produce more. Okay. Coal makes up 2/5 of the world's electricity generation. So this coal, no? Overall, coal makes up 2/5 of world's electricity generation. So what? The United States produce more nuclear generated electricity than any other country, nearly one-third of the world's total. The second largest producer is the largest the second largest producer is France, which generates more than three-fourths of its electricity in nuclear reactor. So this is what. Okay. Thank you for watching. Take care. Good night. Shiva care.